Ready to take your editing skill to the next level? Look no further than DaVinci Resolve. It's the ultimate tool for beginners and pros alike. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Let's start today. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open your favorite browser and search for DaVinci Resolve. Then open the Blackmagic Design website. You can find the URL in the description as well. Scroll down and click on the button Free Download Now. This part is important, so let me explain. For the free version, check the left side, and for the paid or studio version, check the right side. At this moment, the latest stable version is 18, but we are lucky to be able to test the next version, 18.5, that is in public beta. Choose the beta if you want to try the great new features, or the official if you need a more stable version. If you're using already the version 18, you cannot upgrade to a beta version automatically. You will need to do a fresh beta install, like I will do in this tutorial. DaVinci Resolve is cross-platform. That means we'll run on Mac, Windows or Linux. I will choose Mac OS, but the flow should be the same on the others. You will need to fill your details and press the register and download button. The download process started automatically. We already made a good progress. The installer was downloaded and I already started the application. From this screen, you can check the Resolve manual or install the software. There are a few steps that you need to read. You can see what are the new features and press continue when you're done. Click on the agree button and install. In my case, I will need to enter my credentials as well. I'm using an M1 MacBook Air and it's pretty fast to complete this installation. For the first time after you install or upgrade your DaVinci Resolve, you can see a high-level overview about what's new. Click continue and you're ready to start. You can create a new project and let the fun begin. But always remember that the most important aspect of any video project is the story that you want to tell. While DaVinci Resolve provides you with the tools to bring your vision to life, it's your storytelling ability and creativity that will captivate your audience. In case you want to downgrade or use an old version, it is possible. Let me show you how. Open the support center, link is available in the description as well. Now click on the DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. Scroll down and check the latest downloads. Also, if you are interested, you can find the latest news or support notes. Let's scroll down and you can go back in time in 2014 and install DaVinci Resolve version 10.